Hi, it's Matt, product specialist here at Freeform Fabrication, here to talk to you today about best practice when turning off your large laser welder. This is in your manual, but we just wanted to highlight this as a way to protect your laser's operating system. Whilst your laser is on, unplug the interlock. You can find that on the back of the chamber towards the top right. Once you've removed the interlock and let the laser down by, you can then turn it off from the back. So to turn on your laser, turn it on from the back and let it load. Once it's loaded and you can see laser locked, plug in your interlock and then press start.